Today, we prepared delicious dishes recipes of the healthiest meats paired with complementary foods that will enhance their nutritional and anti-aging benefits. Number 1. Wild-caught salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support brain health. It contains astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that protects skin and cells from aging. Salmon with avocado salsa. Avocado's healthy fats enhance the absorption of salmon's omega-3s. You need 2 salmon fillets, 1 tablespoon olive oil, juice of 1 lime, 1 ripe diced avocado, half finely chopped red onion, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro, salt and pepper to taste. Preheat grill to medium-high. Brush salmon with olive oil, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and squeeze lime juice over the top. Grill for 5-6 minutes per side until salmon is cooked through. In a bowl, mix avocado, onion, cilantro, and a pinch of salt. Serve the salsa over the grilled salmon. Baked salmon with quinoa and spinach. Quinoa provides plant-based protein and spinach boosts iron absorption. Take 2 salmon fillets, 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups chopped spinach, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon olive oil, juice of half lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Preheat oven to 375 degrees. Rub salmon with olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Place on a baking sheet and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Cook quinoa according to package instructions. Sauté spinach in a skillet with a bit of olive oil and garlic until wilted. Serve salmon on a bed of quinoa and spinach. Number 2. Grass-fed beef. Provides high levels of conjugated linoleic acid, which supports fat metabolism and muscle health. Rich in iron, zinc, and B vitamins essential for energy and immune function. Beef stir-fry with broccoli and ginger. Broccoli's sulforaphane enhances removal of toxins from the liver, complementing beef's iron. You need 1 pound grass-fed beef strips, 2 cups broccoli florets, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 2 minced garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons water. Heat sesame oil in a wok over medium-high heat. Sear beef strips for 3-4 minutes, then remove. Add garlic, ginger, and broccoli. Stir-fry for 5-6 minutes. Return beef to the wok, add soy sauce and the cornstarch mixture. Stir well until sauce thickens. Serve hot. Grilled beef with sweet potato mash. Sweet potatoes provide beta-carotene, protecting skin from oxidative damage. Take 2 grass-fed beef steaks, each 6-8 ounces, 2 medium sweet potatoes, 2 tablespoons butter, half teaspoon cinnamon, salt and pepper to taste. Preheat grill to high. Season steaks with salt and pepper. Grill for 4 to 5 minutes per side for medium rare. Boil sweet potatoes until tender, about 15 minutes. Mash with butter, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Serve steaks alongside the sweet potato mash. Number 3. Turkey meat. Supports brain health with tryptophan, a precursor to serotonin, which improves mood. Low in fat and high in protein, it aids in weight management and muscle health. Turkey and cranberry salad. Cranberry's antioxidants boost turkey's immune benefits. You need 1 cup cooked and shredded turkey breast, 4 cups mixed greens, 1/4 cup dried cranberries, 2 tablespoons chopped walnuts, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinaigrette. Toss turkey, greens, cranberries, and walnuts in a bowl, and drizzle with balsamic vinaigrette. Stuffed turkey breast with quinoa and spinach. Quinoa and spinach amplify turkey's lean protein with added fiber and nutrients. You need 2 boneless turkey breasts, half cup quinoa, 2 cups spinach, 2 minced garlic cloves, olive oil. Cook quinoa according to package instructions. In a skillet, sauté spinach with a bit of olive oil until wilted. Preheat oven to 375 degrees. Butterfly turkey breasts and fill with quinoa, spinach, and garlic mixture. Secure with toothpicks, brush with olive oil, and bake for 25-30 minutes. Number 4. Pasture-raised chicken. A lean source of protein, contributing to muscle repair and healthy skin. Contains selenium and phosphorus for cell repair and bone health. Lemon herb chicken with kale salad. Kale boosts calcium and antioxidants, complementing the chicken's protein. Take 2 chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary, 4 cups chopped kale, 1 tablespoon grated Parmesan cheese. Preheat oven to 375 degrees. Rub chicken with olive oil, lemon juice, and rosemary. Bake for 25-30 minutes or until cooked through. Toss kale with olive oil, lemon juice, and Parmesan. Serve chicken over the kale salad. Chicken soup with turmeric and vegetables. Turmeric's curcumin fights inflammation and enhances the immune system. You need 2 chicken bone-in thighs, 1 sliced carrot, 2 chopped celery stalks, 1 diced onion, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 6 cups chicken broth. In a pot, boil chicken thighs in chicken broth for 20 minutes. Remove and shred. Add carrots, celery, onion, and turmeric to the broth. Simmer for 15 minutes. Return shredded chicken to the soup. Serve hot. Incorporating these thoughtfully prepared meat dishes into your diet can help you enjoy their anti-aging benefits while savoring a variety of flavors. We will continue with recipes for another 4 more meats in next video, so subscribe this channel and press the bell icon not to miss updates. This will also be a great help in the development of this project.